All right, challenge time. Watch this whole video without yawning. Sounds easy, right? Let's find out. It usually starts when you see someone else yawn. One person opens their mouth and boom, suddenly you're next. Sometimes it's not even seeing it. Just hearing someone yawn can do it. Your brain's like, ah, yes, I am doing this now. Or maybe you're thinking about yawning. You know, that big, slow inhale, the stretch, the sigh. Yep, that one. Now, try pretending to yawn. Go on and just open your mouth wide and take a slow breath. See? You actually yawned, didn't you? So, did your brain fall for it? Whether it was seeing, hearing, or just imagining a yawn, your body probably couldn't resist. Go on, try it on someone else and see if they yawn too.